Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date April 28, 2021. Let's start with international news. My Octopus Teacher wins Best Documentary Feature in Oscar Award 2021. My Octopus Teacher, it was a documentary film. The unique feature about this film was produced by Indian woman filmmaker called Swati Tyagarajan from Chennai. This movie is released on Netflix. About Swati Tyagarajan, she is known for her work as a conservationist and a core member of the Sea Change Project. This movie was completely taken in South Africa marine environment. The documentary movie won the Oscar Award 2021. The event was held in Los Angeles. US Department CDC recommends pregnant women to take COVID-19 vaccine. The US Center for recommended that corona vaccine be given to pregnant women. Polo Forum for Asia Annual Conference. The opening ceremony of the Polo Forum for Asia Annual Conference 2021 held in Polo, which is situated in South China in Hainan province. The theme of the conference is A World in Change, Join Hands to Strengthen Global Governance and Advance Belt and Road Cooperation. The main purpose of this conference is addressing the global issues, promoting world development and prosperity. National news. Army Chief General M.M. Naravane visits Eastern Ladakh and Siachen. General M.M. Naravane visit had become necessary to check the border issues alertness because China refused to conclude a treaty with us even after the 11th round of meeting between senior military commanders. Karnataka scientist won the Women of Discovery Award. Kirti Karanth, a leading conservation scientist in India, she is honored for Women of Discovery Award in the field of wildlife conservation. The brilliant scientist from Mangaluru was recently chosen as a recipient of the 2019 Women of Discovery Award by Wings. Wings is an organization that supports women scientists and recognize their extraordinary work in their respective field. Yes, this Kirti Karanth is the first Indian woman to get this award. Himachal Pradesh government decides the teacher to get enrolled in corona prevention activities. The Himachal Pradesh government has decided to involve school education staff such as teaching staff, non-teaching staff and staffs in education department to get enrolled in corona prevention activities. The circle notice will be sent to the higher education, elementary education and education for all programs. Varuna 2021. This is a joint naval exercise held between India and France from April 25th to 27th. This exercise was held in Arabian Sea. It is a 19th joint naval exercise. Government extends time till June 30 for making payments under Vivad Shri Viswas scheme. The government has extended the deadline for making payment under direct tax scheme called Vivad C Viswas Dispute Resolution Scheme under the Income Tax Department by 2 months till June 30th. This is due to pandemic situation in India. Tamil Nadu news. Odia and English writer Manoj Das passed away. Das had conferred the Padma Bhushan Award last year for his contribution in the field of literature and education. He was earlier conferred the Padma Shri in 2001. Das was a unique bilingual writer whose story in both Odia and English were equally loved. Known for his simple, magical, and impactful writings, Das not only won the heart of Odisha's youth, he also managed to impress novelist Graham Greene. Writer and Tamil researcher B.C. Mani passed away. B.C. Mani was the great follower of Subramania Bharatiyar. He has published a number of anthologies and books such as Ayas, Kamba Ramayana essays, Origin and Development of Indian Nation, Palantamil magazines, Veeramurasa Subramania Siva, Edithidai Chekkilutha Semal K.C. Venkataramani. He also wrote book about Vivekananda's Chicago speech, then Pure Mother Sri Sarada Devi and Swami Vipalananda's editorial literature. MOU signed between Indian Bank and BSNL. Indian Bank signed MOU with BSNL. Purpose of this agreement is to provide telecom internet service at affordable cost. Sports news. Asian Boxing Championship moved from Delhi to Dubai. As we all know, Asian Boxing Championship, which was scheduled to be held in Delhi next month, but it was moved to Dubai due to pandemic situation. Even in Dubai, India will host the event co-partnered with UAE. De Villiers crosses 5,000 IPL runs. AB De Villiers hit the landmark 75 as Royal Challengers Bengaluru beat Delhi Capitals by just one run to go back top of the IPL league. The South African veteran's unbeaten 42 ball beats made him only the sixth batsman to pass 5,000 runs. He is the only foreigner to hit 5,000 runs. He is the only second foreigner to hit 5,000 runs. Important days. World Day for Laboratory Animals. This day was constituted in World Day for Laboratory Animal is observed annually in April 24th. Not only that, we also observing Lab Animal Week April 20th to April 26th has been catalyst for the movement to end the suffering of animals in the laboratory around the world and their replacement with advanced scientific non-animal techniques. The sufferings of millions of animals all over the world is commemorated on every continent. Oscar winners. Let's see the full list of Oscar winners 2021. Nomadland won the 3 Oscar award including Best Pictures. Anthony Hopkins won the Best Actor award for the movie The Father. Frances McDormand became the seventh person to win a third acting Oscar for her Best Actress for the movie called The Norman Choli Zhao became the first woman to get the Best Director award. After her, Catherine Belgino honored for this award. Jean Herzog Humanitarian Award, Tyler Perry for his philanthropic and charitable endeavors in recent years. Actor in a leading role, Anthony Hopkins. Movie The Father. Actor in the supporting role, Daniel Kaluuya. Movie Judas and Black Messiah. Actress in the leading role, Frances McDormand. Movie No Man Land. Actress in the supporting role, Yoo Jung Yong. Movie Minari. Animated feature film, Soil. Those winners are Peter Docter and Dana Murray. Cinematography, the movie name Mank, winner is Eric Mazur. Best costume design, Ma Renis Black Button. Best directing, No Man Land. Best documentary feature, My Octopus Teacher. The winners are in the bracket list. The best documentary, short subject, Correlate. Best film editing, Sounds of Metal. Best international feature film, Another Round. Best makeup and hairstyling, Ma Renis Back Button. Best music, Soul. Best Best pictures, No Man Land. Best production design, Mank. Best short film, If Anything Happens, I Love You. Best short film, live actions, Two Distant Stranger. Best sound, the movie name is Sounds of Metal. Best visual effects, Tenet. Best writing, screenplay, The Father. Best writings, original screenplay, Promising Young Woman. Expected questions. Question number 1. Which bank made MOU with BSNL to provide affordable internet service? Option A, ICICI Bank. Option B, Indian Bank. Option C, Union Bank. Option D, SBI Bank. Answer, Indian Bank. Question number 2. Vivid say Viswas scheme related to which of the following? Option A, direct tax. Option B, indirect tax. Option C, consumer tax. Option D, none of the above. Answer, direct tax. Question number 3. Varuna joint naval exercise held between India and which country? Option A, Germany. Option B, Japan. Option C, France. Option D, Singapore. Answer, France. Question number 4. Varuna joint exercise is related to which defense force? Option A, military exercise. Option B, naval exercise. Option C, air force exercise. Option D, none of the above. Answer, naval exercise. Question number 5. Which country recommended the corona vaccine to pregnant ladies? Option A, France. Option B, Italy. Option C, Japan. Option D, America. Answer, America. Question number 6. Who is the second foreign player won the 5,000 runs and made a record? Option A, A.B. de Villiers. Option B, David Warner. Option C, James Anderson. Option D, Mitchell Jackson. Answer, A.B. de Villiers. Question number 7. Who had been conferred with the 2019 Woman of Discovery Award by Wings? Option A, Rita Nyampinga. Option B, Maria Kalis Nihaha. Option C, Erika Infan. Option D, Kirti Karant. Answer is Kirti Karant. Question number 8. Which state government made the school staff and teacher to work for corona precaution measures? Option A, Telangana. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Option C, West Bengal. Option D, Himachal Pradesh. Answer, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 9. Which writer recently died who was awarded with Padma Shri Award, Padma Bhushan and UNESCO awards? Answer, option A, Sangha Ghosh. Option B, Manoj Das. Option C, Rajamani. Option D, B.C. Mani. Answer, Manoj Das. Question number 10. Name the book written by B.C. Mani, considered as Tamil writer and researcher. Option A, Pananthamil magazines. Option B, Pure Mother Sri Sarada Devi. Option C, Bhardiya in social reforms. Option D, all the above. Answer, all the above. Question number 11. Where is the ancient boxing championship currently scheduled to be held in Delhi due to spread of corona? Option A, Puducherry. Option B, Dubai. Option C, Bengaluru. Option D, London. Answer, Dubai. Question number 12. Which documentary film won the Oscar 2021? Option A, No Man's Land. Option B, The Father. Option C, Another Round. Option D, My Octopus Teacher. Answer, My Octopus Teacher. For the regular current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel for the regular notification. Press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.